Here's how to record an expense in Zoho Books, step by step. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the Purchases section, then open Expenses. This takes you to the area where individual business expenses are entered and managed. From the Expenses page, begin a new entry by clicking the plus icon and selecting Expense. In some account layouts, you may see a button labeled Record Expense instead. Either option opens the expense form, and both lead to the same place. Now enter the main details of the expense. Set the date for when the transaction happened. Choose the expense account that matches the type of cost you are recording, since this determines how the transaction is categorized in your books. Then enter the amount. After that, select whether the amount is tax inclusive or tax exclusive. Make sure this setting matches the document you are working from because it affects how the tax is calculated in the final entry. Next, choose the paid through account. This is the account the money came from, such as a bank account, cash account, or another payment source listed in Zoho Books. Then choose the appropriate tax for the expense. If the expense was paid to a vendor that is already in your records, select that vendor as well. If no vendor applies, you can leave that field as it is. Continue by adding supporting details for the transaction. Enter a reference number if you have one from a receipt, bill, or internal record. In the Notes field, add any information you want attached to the expense for later review. If you want to connect this expense to a specific customer, select that customer from the list. This is useful when the expense needs to be associated with customer-related work or tracked against a client. If you have a receipt or another supporting document, upload it before saving the record. Click Upload your files to browse from your device, or drag and drop the file into the upload area if that is more convenient. Once the file is attached, it will stay linked to the expense entry for future reference. Before you record the transaction, review all of the details on the form, check the date, account, amount, tax setting, payment account, and any attached document. Pay close attention to the expense account and paid through account, since those fields are often easy to mix up. When everything looks correct, click Save to record the expense. If you need to enter another one right away, click Save and New instead to save the current record and open a fresh form. Your expense is now recorded in Zoho Books.